Number 62. How is flash steam produced? A. From condensate passing from high to low pressure system. B. From saturated steam. C. From superheated steam. Or D. From steam mixed with high temperature. So the answer is letter A. From condensate passing from high to low pressure system. 64. Are steam traps required to pass air? A. Steam traps should not pass air under any circumstances. B. Only when the trap has passed all the condensate. C. Air should be removed as soon as it reaches the trap. Or D. Only on high pressure system. So the answer is letter C. Air should be removed as soon as it reaches the trap. So number 59. Determine the indicated mean effective pressure of an engine in PSI, having a brake mean effective pressure of 750 kilopascal and 80% mechanical efficiency. So using this formula, we derive this to PI equals PB over the mechanical efficiency, which is 750 over 0.80 equals 937.5 kilopascal, converted to PSI, which is 136 PSI. So the answer is letter C. Next is number 57. Can temperature controlled application be dropped? A. Drops should not be filled under any circumstances. B. Only if there is no leak after the drop. C. If the pressure on the drop is always higher than back pressure. Or D. Pumps should always be fitted to remove condensate. So the answer is letter C. Number 70. When adding the refrigerant in a refrigeration system, it shall be charged into which of the parts of the system? A. High pressure side. B. Low pressure side. C. Low and high pressure side. Or D. Compressor's discharge line. So the answer is letter B. Low pressure side.